Mastering homophones. Ace the usage with this quiz. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into the intriguing world of homophones. These are words that sound the same but have different meanings, and sometimes, different spellings. Homophones can be tricky, but with enough practice, you'll be using them flawlessly in your conversations and writing. Remember, knowing how to correctly use homophones can greatly improve your English fluency. Homophones are pairs or groups of words that sound exactly alike when pronounced, but they have distinct meanings and sometimes different spellings. For example, consider the words pear, a set of two, and pear, a type of fruit. They sound exactly the same, don't they? But their meanings and spellings are unique. Grasping this concept is crucial in understanding and using homophones. Homophones are a significant part of English language learning. They can often lead to confusion and miscommunication if used incorrectly. However, using them correctly can make your English sound more fluent and polished. Plus, they're often used in puns and wordplay, so understanding them can also make English language content more enjoyable and engaging. Now that we've understood what homophones are and why they're important, it's time to put that knowledge to the test. Here's a short quiz to test your understanding and usage of homophones. Remember, it's all about practice. 1. The new ___ is quite friendly. Made? Made. 2. She had a ___ of diamond earrings. Pair? Pair. 3. He went to the ___ to buy some meat. Butchers? Butchers. 4. The little girl ___ a beautiful song. Sung? Song. 5. The ___ of the king is grand and beautiful. Throne? Throne. Let's see how you did. 1. The correct answer is maid. While both words sound the same, a maid is a person who cleans and made is the past tense of make. 2. The correct answer is pair. A pair refers to a set of two, while a pear is a type of fruit. 3. The correct answer is butchers. It is used to show possession and means the shop owned by the butcher. Butchers is simply the plural of butcher. 4. The correct answer is sung. Sung is the past participle of sing, while song is a noun, referring to a musical composition. 5. The correct answer is throne. A throne is a ceremonial chair for a sovereign, while thrown is the past participle of throw. Great job on completing the quiz. Remember, practice is the key to mastering homophones. Keep practicing, and soon enough, using homophones correctly will become second nature. I hope this video was helpful. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.